Just like in the Western countries especially, uh, they are now trying to become naked, nudies. So, nature will give them to stand naked like a tree for many years. You are so fond of become nudie, all right, you stand up here for 10,000 years without any dress. Nature will give you. Those who have no discrimination for eating anything, damn rascal, let me give me, I will eat it. All right, then you can take the body of a pig and eat up to stool. So nature will give you. Karanam gunasangasya prakite kriyamanani gunai karmani sarvasa karanam gunasangasya sadasat joni janmasu. Why you are getting different bodies? Because you have got different tendency for sense gratification. Indriya. This is the disease, material disease. Everyone has got tendency for sense gratification, but not all of them of the same type. They have got different types. So our material bondage means these different types of sense gratification. Therefore, we have to stop this. We have to be detestful from this sense gratification, then our spiritual life will begin. That is possible by bhakti.